Hey guys, what's up? It's your girl Sin, and
you already know, baby.
mad ratchet. Anyways, hey, what's up? How are you? What's going on? How are you feeling? Anyways, welcome back to my channel. Yeah, so today I'm coming at you guys. Ooh, backtrack. If you are new to my channel, hey, what's up? My name is Cynthia. Welcome to the Sing Gang. Make sure you go ahead and subscribe, and also click the notification bell so you guys are notified every time I post a video. That way you will not miss nothing from me. Anyways, today I'm coming at you guys with a simple acrylic nail tutorial, I guess you can say, on how I do my quick nails. These nails are super cute and it's very simple to do. It's very easy to do. It takes less than an hour, less than 30 minutes if you're not filming like I was, and you're gonna see the results. They're so pretty. I have them on right now. They're these French, it's like a French tip. It's not really, I don't know what kind of shape this is. I kind of created this shape on my own, but you guys will definitely be able to see that. They're not as long as they would normally be because I am a college girl, you know. I am a worker, you know. I work, so I don't want to have extremely long nails, especially for, like, you know, the job that I'm doing. So I just need to have a simple medium length kind of nail to keep me going, and it's cute. It looks professional. I love them, and this is the second time that I am wearing them in this style. So, you know, back in the day, like, I feel like everyone used to get French tips so often, and I was that girl. Like, I remember high school prom. Like, it was the first time I ever went to a nail salon to do anything with my nails, and I didn't get acrylic, but I got a regular mani, and it was French. And I went home and washed dishes, and let's just say that the day of prom, those nails was non-existent. Like, it looked like I didn't go nowhere to get nothing done. But anyway, thank you guys so much for watching, and if you want to see how I get these cute nails, stay tuned. Okay, y'all, so the first thing you're gonna need is, of course, the packet. And this one is from Kiss. It's the acrylic salon French tip nails. In the back there's instructions, and I believe this cost, yep, $8.29, and I got it from my local Rite Aid, which is a really good price for these quick nails. So yeah, when we open the box, basically it's gonna have a small little filer and a cuticle pusher. I don't really use these too much, but they do definitely help with the process. And then, of course, in the packet is the nail display in the front, but that's not all the nails. There's more nails in the back, so then that's that. Then you're gonna need some kind of nail clipper kit. Truthfully, you don't really need the whole kit. I only use the big nail clipper, but this is really cute. I got this from a discount store, really cheap, and it's really convenient. Then you're gonna need a long filer. This one is really rough, and I use this to really, like, get a quick file. It's super rough, and it gets the job done in no time, of course. And you're gonna need some acetone just to get rid of that oil buildup on your nail, regardless of whether you have nail polish on or not. Then this is my favorite glue. Do not sleep on that Kiss glue. I'll have it down in the description box below. But yeah, let's get started. So I'm going in with the acetone, and I'm making sure that this gets rid of all the nail oil that's produced on my nails, because this way we're gonna get a stronger grip. You want that strong grip, and if you have oil on your nails, it's not really gonna give you that strong grip, and your nails are probably gonna fall off within 2 days, and we don't need that. We need the grip. So yeah, so I'm making sure I'm taking my time and doing that. And then this cuticle pusher here, we're not gonna use that to push any cuticles back. I don't really like touching my cuticles. I know that's weird. I'd rather do that in an actual salon, but for me, I'm using it to just clean under my nail, get underneath, and scrub my nails out. Then once I'm done, I'm gonna roll up my sleeves. Then I'm gonna go in for the big nail clipper. There is a small nail clipper in there too. I used to use that for more like precision, like, you know, when you get those little side grow nails, but I'm gonna go in with the big one, although I'm grabbing the small one just to show you guys. And also, if I forgot to mention, I have used this kit, the same exact kit before. I just popped off the nail set that I had on before. It was the same exact one, but there's enough nails in the box to use it at least twice, in my opinion. You can use it maybe more than that, depending on how fresh you want them or whatever the occasion is, but I normally just use it twice and it lasts me a really long time. So yeah, I'm going in and I'm cutting my nails short. They were short already, but I'm cutting them again because I really don't like having long nails on top of semi-long nails. I'm gonna cut it, and because of the way the nail is shaped, I'm also gonna be cutting on the sides. In a second, you're gonna see me close up on how I cut the sides of my nails, so that way no nails are sticking out, because for some reason the way these nails were cut, it has like a really short, I don't know how to explain it, a short like nail side. I don't even know if that makes sense, but I'm cutting the actual sides of my nails so that way they don't show underneath. You guys understand, you'll see. So yeah, I'm making sure I'm doing that for each nail on each side, and I'm not doing too much. Like, I'm not going in a lot, I'm just really clipping it, if that makes sense. And once I'm done clipping the side of my nails, I'm also gonna use the rough filer to file them out. Okay, so now that we're done clipping and filing, I'm gonna go ahead and grab the nail clip and start measuring my nails with the nails that come in the kit, making sure that it fits. Some of them are not gonna fit exactly, some of them are gonna fit a little bit bigger, a little bit smaller. I would advise you to choose the ones that are a little bit bigger, and I'm showing you guys there that there's actually numbers on the insides of the nails to guide you, so that way once you measure one side of your hand, you don't have to go ahead and measure the other side. You'll just have the numbers, so you'll double up on everything, if that makes sense. So yeah, if you're having difficulty finding one that fits your nail exactly, it might be a little too big, don't worry about that, because in the end I'll show you guys how I fixed that problem. And now that we have all the nails all lined up, ready to go, we're not gonna start no gluing just yet. But what we're gonna do is we're gonna grab each nail individually, and like I said before, if there were some that were not exactly fitting, what we're gonna do is we're gonna file it. And I'm gonna show you guys how I file each nail to custom fit my actual nail to get a more natural look. You know what I mean? You want that salon acrylic look. So this finger here, I can tell, was a little too big on the edges. So I went ahead and took the really rough filer, and I'm filing down the sides quite a bit just to get it to fit nice and snug in between my nails. So yeah, I'm going in on the sides. I'm not going too rough, but like I said, this is a rough nail filer, so it's really cutting away at those edges, so I didn't have to do too much, which is great. Rather than using one that has smoother edges like the little blue one, that one is going to take forever to file, so that's why I have the really big rough one. So I'm going to go around all my nails making sure that they fit, custom fit, and if not, I'm going to just go ahead and file them on. And this step right here is crucial to making it look natural and also for it to be long lasting. Okay, so now that your nails are finally done and completed, you're gonna grab the tough filer. If you don't have a tough filer, you can use the smoother filer, but the tough one is definitely gonna make it easier. You're gonna take it and you're gonna basically buff out the top of your nail. What this is gonna do is gonna allow a little pieces of your nail on the top to stick up, kind of. So that way, when you put the nail on and the glue, it's gonna have a better grip. This part right here is a must if you want your nails to last, because this way, you're not just laying it down on a smooth surface, you're laying it down on a tougher surface, so that way it's harder for it to maneuver, even if there's oil there or whatever your nail comes in contact with, grease, food, showers, water. This part right here is gonna ensure that the nail stays on and the glue stays intact and your nail stays intact, most importantly. So this part right here is a must. And now, of course, if you're somebody who works in an environment where you're using your hands a lot, especially like, for example, lifting bricks, construction, or you're constantly dipping your hands in water and you're always doing something rough of the sort, of course, you know, over time it is gonna loosen. But this glue, like I'm telling you, is really good, really good, and it sticks on, and a little bit goes a long way. So what I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna take that glue and I'm gonna put some dots on my nail, grab the other nail and squeeze it for a few seconds on top. And we're gonna do this to the rest of our nails.
All right.
It's really hard to see, but on the tip of the nail there was like sort of like a straight edge from, I guess, where they cut the nail off from whatever kit that they have in the factory. So I'm gonna go ahead and file that off and keep it round and smooth, but in the end you're gonna see that I'm actually gonna cut it again because the shape I wasn't really feeling the shape that day. I just wanted it to be a little less long and a little more sort of coffin kind of shape. I'm not sure what shape I created, but you guys will definitely see it, so keep watching. Okay, so in this part here, I'm going to smooth out the edges a little bit more, and then I'm going to go ahead and grab the really big nail clipper and start chipping away at the top a little bit just to get them nice and flat a little bit on the top. So that way it's giving us a more natural, classic look rather than it just being super pointy. So I'm going to snip a tiny bit off. The camera was a little bit blurry, but legit it was a really tiny piece. So yeah, I'm gonna do that. I'm gonna file the sides of the nail, and do that to every single finger, so that way I get that dome shape in the middle of the nail off, because it was really bothering me. I don't know if you guys can tell. It's like it goes straight and then it kind of creates like this little dome and then it goes to a point. So I'm just straightening it out and filing off the sides, and I'm gonna do that for every single fingernail. So guys, these are the final results with my nails. I think they came out super cute, and if you like them, make sure you give this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and turn on your notification bell so you won't miss any more videos from me. Yeah girl, look how cute they came out. Yes, I'm gonna put some pictures in the end so you guys can see, and I'll see you guys in my next video.